In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in 2026, step by step. We'll begin by going to PayPal in your web browser. You can search for PayPal on Google or go directly to the official PayPal website for your region. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign Up. That will take you to the account selection page, where PayPal asks what kind of account you want to create. At this point, you'll choose between a personal account and a business account. A personal account is best if you mainly want to shop online, send money to friends or family, or receive personal payments. A business account is the better option if you plan to sell products, offer services, or accept payments from clients. Choose the option that fits your needs, then click Get Started to continue. For this example, we're selecting a personal account. After choosing it, click Get Started again to move forward to the sign up form. You'll now be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you use an email you can access easily, since PayPal may use it for account notifications, verification, and login related updates. After typing in your email, click Next. Next, PayPal may show a security challenge. This is a normal part of the sign up process and helps confirm that you're a real person and not an automated bot. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete that challenge. Once that's done, you'll move on to the phone verification section. Here, enter your mobile phone number carefully. Double check that the number is correct, because PayPal will send a security verification text message to that phone. After you submit your number, wait for the SMS code to arrive. When you receive it, type the verification code into the provided field to confirm your number. This step is important because it adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps PayPal verify your identity. After your phone number has been confirmed, simply follow the next prompt on the screen. PayPal will guide you through the remaining setup process from there. The key at this stage is to read each page carefully and make sure the information you provide is accurate. And that's the basic process for opening a PayPal account. If you're following along, take your time with each screen, especially during verification, so everything is completed smoothly. Once you're done, you'll be one step closer to using PayPal for online payments, transfers, and more.